Are you tired of scrambling for dinner after a long day? Let's simplify your meal prep and transform your week. First, invest in clear storage containers. They make organizing a breeze. Choose a few core proteins. Chicken, beef, and tofu are versatile options. Cook in batches on weekends to save time. Season them with simple, bold flavors that last throughout the week. Next, chop up a mix of colorful veggies. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. You can roast them all at once for a delicious side. Now let's talk grains. Quinoa and brown rice cook well in large quantities. Store them in your fridge, ready to pair with any protein or veggies. Don't forget about sauces. A homemade vinaigrette or a quick stir-fry sauce can elevate any meal with minimal effort. Label everything with dates to avoid confusion later. And here's a game changer. Manage your time effectively. Start with foods that take longer to cook, like grains or roasting meats, then prep your veggies while those are going. This way, everything is ready around the same time, and you're not stuck waiting on one last item. Staying organized is key. Keep a list of what you've prepped and any meal ideas for the week on a whiteboard or in a notebook. This helps you avoid the dreaded "what's for dinner" dilemma and ensures nothing gets forgotten in the fridge. Finally, assemble grab-and-go meals for busy days. Think salads, wraps, or grain bowls that can be enjoyed cold. With these strategies, you'll never face a cooking crisis again. Enjoyed this? Subscribe and hit the bell. Share feedback. Be love and be light.